Hi there. So what we have here is the Trx4 chassis kit. My wife and daughters bought me for my birthday yesterday. So it's my first Traxxas TRX. So first thing to do is build the transmission. And this one is the clipless body mounting, but it does come with the old style ones as well, which I'll probably use. It doesn't come with a body, so I'll think about the body afterwards once it's built. But it does have the radio and servos and the SC. That's the transmission completed. Complete with shift servo, everything's labelled. All the screws and washers are all labelled in all the individual bags. On to the next one. That's the rear axle complete. Next for the front. That's the main chassis assembled. Onto fixing the gearbox and the motor in now. So the kit comes with a Traxxas Titan 21 turn 550 size motor, so it's quite a hefty motor. There's the pinion, and then I've mounted the transmission into the base of the chassis. And carry on. Right, main chassis is built, all the electrics are in. Bit of a pain trying to thread the wires down and around into the receiver box in there, but I've powered it up, seems to work okay. I was a bit worried because these are Traxxas ID connectors, but the standard Traxxas battery fits it as well, so that's fine. So next job, not my favourite, building the shocks. So all the links mounted to the front axle, so the panhard bar, steering link, all pre-made, so I didn't have to measure them. Next is to mount it into the chassis. So we've got the front end installed, panhard bar and the steering servo all connected. So lots of screws on this build. And they're tiny ones as well, but we're getting there. So all the drive lines in now, front, rear, getting quite fiddly, little pins, little screws. So next job now is to mount the wheels and tyres. So that's the main build done. Chassis all complete, electrics in, wheels on, bumpers, rock sliders. It's too dark now to test it out, so I'll do that in the morning, see how it runs. So, good build, more complicated than the axial, but then there's more going on with the 2-speed and the diff locks as well. Right, we've got a battery in. I run these, I've got these Hovo 52 milliamp hour 2S Lightbos. Forward, reverse, steering, diff lock. So we'll give it a go outside. Right, as a comparison, it's next to my SCX Dingo. If I match the front wheels up, you can see the TRX is slightly longer, maybe an inch on the wheelbase. Thanks for watching.